Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Sangstack. Welcome to my course After Effects CC Fundamentals. I am an Adobe certified expert in After Effects with a decade of experience working with After Effects. I am the lead instructor at the blueeffects.net After Effects Academy and a former junior college digital media instructor. I've been a consultant for Adobe and created its higher education digital media curriculum guide. If you want to create exceptional visual effects, extraordinary motion graphics, and exciting animated text, then you'll want to view this course. If you're a video editor looking to expand your tool set, or you work in corporate marketing and you want to create exciting promotional videos, or you're a storyteller who wants to enhance your narratives, then this course is for you. After Effects is the de facto internationally recognized standard visual effects and animation software. You will find it in virtually all digital media production studios. It is also becoming the tool of choice for businesses and individuals who want to enhance the quality and impact of their visual projects. After Effects can play a vital role in the creation of corporate explainer videos, demo reels, advertisements, documentaries, and feature films. The goal of this course is to help you reach a comfort level when working with the basic features of After Effects. The main topics include workflow, animating objects, meaning putting them in motion and changing their size, rotation, and opacity over time, then applying and animating visual effects, creating shapes, working in 3D space, and animating text. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the fundamentals of After Effects CC here at Pluralsight.